How to copy all layer effects to another layer. To copy every layer effect from one layer to another, again press and hold the L Win option MAC K on your keyboard, then click on the board effects. Above the list of individual layer effect and drag it onto the another layer. Layer effect versus layer styles in Photoshop. The reason why they do not look the same even with all the layer effects copied is that the second layer is still missing the transparency effect from the first layer. And this brings us to the difference between layers effect and layers style. Layer effects are the actual effects themselves, like behave and emboss, stroke, drop, shadow, and so on. But a layer style includes not only the layers effect but also any blending effects that you have applied to the layers. Blending effects include the optically and fill values, the build mode, and any additional building option you have set in the layer style dialog box. As long as you hold down Alt or option, press of an arrow key creates a copy of the selection and offset it by the specified distance from the last duplicate. In this case, the copy is made on the some layers. And notice that I have already gone ahead and added my layers effect to the letter F at the button. Since the effect has already been created once, copying it the other layers will be easy. In the layers panel, we see my layers effect listed below that on type layers. Notice that I placed is letter in the design on its own spread layer, so I could rotate or resize is letter specifically, but this means I need a may go to get and the effects from that first layer onto 6 other layers. Delete or out selection pixels. Choose edit, clear or press, back press Windows, or delete MACOS to cut a selection to the clipboard. Choose edit, cut. Deleting a selection on a background layer, replace the original color with the background color. Deleting a selection on a standard layer, replace the original color with layers transparency.